Well, hello and welcome from Dalyan in Turkey.
Hi.
This is the first time we've been here. We're staying at the Hotel Holiday Calbis.
That's it.
Get that right. So if you come into Dalyan, we're going to show you the walk from our hotel, the Calbis, into the centre of town. And if you're not staying at this hotel, we'll show you the centre of town in any case when we get there.
Yes.
So it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk. And as usual, we're doing it in the middle of the afternoon when it's the hottest, when it's 30 something.
Yes.
Anyway, what we may do, if we have time, is do this walk this afternoon and then combine it with the same walk or same scenes this evening. Okay?
Yes.
Anyway, let's go.
Let's go.
Holiday Calbis Hotel into the centre of Dalyan. Are you ready to walk into town?
I am. I got my factor 30 on and factor 50 on you.
Yesterday was like 37 degrees, so the good thing, by the way, if you are doing it, most evenings the temperature drops a bit. It's quite comfortable at night.
Yeah,
but in the middle of the afternoon, it is a hot one. Anyway, let's go. As you can see, it's not a busy road, quite an assuming road, and it is flat all the way into town.
There's a bit more shade on the left than the right.
And the wind's picked up a bit, a nice cool breeze. Or not, I wouldn't say cool, I would say cooling breeze.
Warm breeze?
Yeah. One thing to watch out for when you are walking into town at night is this part of the road can be quite dark, can't it?
Yeah, and the path is a bit uneven.
Yeah, not because it's dangerous with traffic. As you can see, it's a very quiet road and quite a big road. But the path can be quite uneven. I think it went flying the first night, didn't I?
Yes.
That's the nearest supermarket where you can buy water and beer and stuff. And the water was a staggering 7 pence for a small one. Yeah.
And how much was the beer?
Beer's about £1 something for 500 mils. Yeah.
Not expensive.
Over there is a restaurant. Again, a very unassuming restaurant. That one there, what's it called? Caravanserai. We ate there the first night because it's open until midnight, wasn't it? So if you arrive late, which many flights do, this place is still serving. And like I said, it doesn't look much, but the food we had was quite good. It's very quiet in the middle of the day.
Yes.
I don't know what it's like during the peak period, middle of the summer, but this is the end of June. And this is where many of the restaurants and shops start. How are you, Mel? Not too hot?
It's not too bad today.
No. There is that breeze blowing, isn't it? So
it's still in the high 80s, early 90s. We've got used to it a bit, haven't we?
Look at this shirt I'm wearing. Very Vegas, isn't it?
Ooh, yeah. It's a wonderful shirt.
A very holiday shirt.
Naff is the word.
There are lots of places to eat, and we haven't really got into the town itself yet.
A lot of the restaurants seem to do a bit of everything.
Yeah.
A bit Turkish, a bit of
English,
steak, kebabs, chicken.
There are
pasta.
a lot of places to eat as well.
Yeah.
And they're all pretty good.
This is a good one, yeah.
Yeah, the M Eatery. We tried that last night for steak. That's pretty good.
Recommend this one, M Eatery barbecue academy.
that place across the road. The Haybees.
Haybee.
Yeah. We actually had Sunday dinner there.
It was good. Beef.
How British is that?
Beef and chicken we had. And we had, I keep thinking was soup, but we didn't have the soup. Bread and apple crumble or fruit salad.
Recommended.
Wasn't that expensive, was
No.
it? It's about
Anyway,
£12.
we're in town now, and we get into the river itself, where all the boats are moored. So let's go take a look. So this is the main stretch along the river, and this is where you're likely to be hassled for trips. But saying that, they're not too bad, are they? They are quite polite in their hassle.
There's a lot of competition.
One thing we haven't mentioned, very important, it's a river. So they do get a lot of mosquitoes here. We've been lucky. Well, not really lucky. We have covered ourselves with a mosquito repellent.
I've been bitten a couple of times, nothing too bad.
Nothing too bad, but we have seen people with quite a few bites. By the way, buy the mosquito repellent here.
Yes.
It's a fraction of the price than in the UK.
Yeah, Sinkov is the one to buy. A lot of the restaurants by the river have it on the table.
Yeah,
actually.
the restaurants actually supply it. So the main group of boats are run by the Dalyan cooperative, aren't they? They run the boats to the public boats to the beach, Turtle Beach.
We're stopping for some lunch in a little cafe
By the river.
by the river.
Just in front of the mosque.
Water. Oh.
Well, because we're so hot, we stopped for a drink in a little cafe by the river there. And we had a chicken doner,
We did.
chips,
Yeah.
lemonade and a water. And it came to 73 lira. Yeah, which is about, at the moment, that's about
£3.50.
a bit more than that, £3, £3.60, something like that. Well, cheap. Anyway, let's continue along the river up into town. So as you walk along the river, you get the first glimpse of the rock tombs on the right-hand bank. It's hard to make them out on this camera because the lens isn't big enough. But where we were having dinner the other night, we were overlooking them. So have a look at these. This is the rock tombs lit up at night. I was saying, have you seen the names of the captains on these boats? Every other boat is Captain Ali. There's about 50 Captain Alis. So we're going to leave the river, walk one block inland, and that's the main drag then, isn't it? Where a lot of the bars are and restaurants are at night. So let's go take a look at that. So you head away from the river, just one block. One thing we haven't mentioned yet is you go to Greece and places like that and you see hundreds of stray cats, don't you?
Yeah.
But in Dalyan, there's lots of dogs. There's dogs everywhere.
They look after, well
They are,
after.
yeah, some have got collars on, but the first time I saw dogs roaming the street. So one dog, little puppy, followed us for about an hour yesterday. And for those of you that need an English breakfast, look at that, 125 Turkish lira. in the day, as you can see, it is quite quiet. This is about 2:30, but at night you can see all the bars and restaurants behind me.
It's really busy area.
What we'll do now is sign off for now and bring the camera back in with us tonight.
Yes,
Okay?
I think so.
I've got food in my chest. So it's now the evening. I've cooled down, got my FS beer, local beer. Let's go into town. Cheers. This is the hotel dog. He looks sad, but he knows how to scrounge for food. Here's another one of these local dogs. You love hanging around this hotel, don't you? Hello. Hello.
Nice clean toilet.
Oh, that's important.
With
Nice clean toilet.
deodorant and stuff like that there as well. This is nice.
Are you eyeing up my margarita?
Oh, I am, yes. Can I have a sip?
No.
Okay. Nice and salty. I like a salty rim.